Seder actually means a night of order, Seder night, a night of order. And yet people are baffled because it appears that it has very little obvious order. And if you walked in the first time and you'd never seen a Seder night, but you'd seen Jewish practices before, so you'd be familiar. The beginning we make Kiddush, we sanctify the day over a glass of wine or grape juice. That's normal. And then we appear to meander all over the place. We talk about, there were rabbis in Bnei Brak staying up all night discussing Seder. We talk about, would we do it in the Messianic era? We then talk about 4 children and different questions they might have. We then come up with this line, Yachal Meresh Chodesh. You would have thought we should have done Seder on the first day of the Hebrew month of Nisan 2 weeks earlier. That's kind of the wrong time to be asking this question. Should we have done it 2 weeks ago? Or maybe we should have done it in the afternoon. No, this is the right time. Okay, are we going to get on with the actual story? No. Now we got to tell you, 4,000 years ago, our ancestors were pagans. Then we start singing a song about anti-Semitism. Vihisha Amda. We've been saved every generation. There've been people who wanted to destroy us. Okay, then we begin all this long path through several verses. Out of nowhere, it appears, pops the 10 plagues. We've got there. No, then Rabban Gamliel, we suddenly come along with a line, nearly forgot, we've got to actually answer the questions that we started with, don't we? Oh, yes. Why are we eating Pesach, matzah, maror, these strange things? We answer some of the questions, and we stop halfway through, eat a meal, carry on afterwards, and then those who still follow along, we do a whole bunch of songs, who knows 1, who knows 2, who knows 13, and then we start singing about a bunch of goats. And we wonder, what on earth was that about? There was a few nice songs in there. What's the theme? What's the story? What's the structure? And it turns out there is an incredible theme, incredible depth, an incredible structure, or even set of themes and structures that we're trying to be guided towards. But if we don't think about it in the broader sense, we often miss it. And that's what this series is going to try to do. Talk in the broader sense of what's happening on Seder night, and then in the specifics of the journey that we're meant to be undertaking. Because it turns out it's one of the most powerful and incredible nights of the year, and something we try to relive again and again and again every year. Of Haggadah, literally the weaving together of Seder, of the deep order of the night.